Today is Thursday, February 3, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Indianapolis. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 26 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 93%. You can expect no rain and 19.04 millimeters of snow today. Some clouds. We've got strong wind at about 17 miles per hour. Winter storm watch in effect from Wednesday evening through late Thursday night. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow. Accumulations in excess of 4 inches and ice accumulations in excess of 1/10 of an inch possible. Where? Portions of central, east central, southwest and west. Central Indiana. When? From Wednesday evening through late Thursday night. Impacts, power outages and tree damage are possible due to the ice. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details: there remains some uncertainty on the path of the storm, which could impact precipitation types and amounts. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. What? Heavy snow expected. Rain has generally transitioned to snow with a brief period of freezing rain and sleet ahead of the transition. Additional snow accumulations in excess of 7 inches. And ice accumulations of a light glaze. Where? Portions of central, east central and west central Indiana. When? From 7 a.m. this morning to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Patchy. Blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. For our next story, Outside the Box, Intel's choice of Ohio for its $20 billion factory shows what matters at least as much as low taxes, and it costs money. The choice is important for what it reveals about the business of attracting businesses and what actually affects Basin. SS location decisions in 21st century. That's it, Indiana. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).